My friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to work on special tool that I have been talking about recently a lot. This is called join object. Under that it says join walled object, and we have three options to do work with that. I have been using connect object extensively in part workbench. There is embed object and the last cutout for object. So I was looking for what they mean online, and look at that. I want to elaborate a little bit on this one because I will be using embed as well as connect going forward a little bit more than what I've been doing. So let's go ahead, take a moment and work on this. I'm gonna recreate that object. I want to create a sketch on XZ plane. So what I will do, I will create a similar looking object in this first sketch, right? All right, so that's our first sketch. It's on XZ plane, right? And what I want to do, I want to extrude that, say 100 millimeter on both sides. And what we have next is another similar kind of thing. I will make it simple and I won't be making it a different sketch. I'll keep the same sketch. Okay, copy that, paste it over. It's in there. What I want to do, I want to reorient this sketch on a different plane. So I want to say it was on XZ plane. I want to place this on YZ plane now and hit OK. So there is my new sketch that I copied and pasted, and now it is reoriented. All right, go back to part. I want to push that forward for another 100, right? Apply, close. So this is our two objects, and then I want to see what these three tools does to these two objects. To do that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these two, right? I'm going to rename that actually. Say 1, and this will be 2, right? Let's take these two, copy those, don't need the sketches, paste them 2 times. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Alright, so we got 3 sets. What I want to do, I want to take this, place it in X direction, say 100 millimeter away. Nope, make that 150. And take this one, do the same thing, 150. And take this one, make it 300, double what it was, and do the same thing. So we just move things over. Alright, let me take a moment and to save these. I saved these objects as connect 1. I will be honest, I want to save them 2 more times. So we have 3 sets of 2 extrudes 3 times saved. So we'll go back and forth and then do some trial and error. So let's see, let's select these two, and first time let's connect objects. What happened? Okay, so what it does is it kind of takes the most significant parts between 2 parts and connect them, make a pipeline kind of sort. So if it was 2 pipes, it would be smooth connection between these 2 pipes. Let's take the second part, these two. So I'm taking the vertical one first and the second one, and let's say hit embed objects. All right, so I can see that the first one that I selected has been cut out, but the second one has been kept similar. So it's kind of embedded. Well, the picture, the icon gives away. So the second part kind of staying as it is now. I guess that we will be using that every now and then. And the last one, we're selecting these two, and it says cutout for object. So what it does, it kept the first, that one that I selected, and then deleted the second part, also placed a whole kind of template cutout from the first selected. So this is our first trial, right? It does look like so. Connect, embed, cutout. Well, now I want to see how the selection sequence works out. Like these ones, all of these, we selected this vertical piece first. I want to open this second set of files that I saved, and this time I want to do the same operation. I want to select this piece, the horizontal piece, as my first selection. So let's go ahead, take this one and this one, right? To the connect object, the same output. So selection, order of selection does not matter in the connect object. Select these two, so, and say embed object. Yes, so here the first one is always being cut out, the second one is being kept. Whichever I'm selecting second is being kept intact. The first one is being forced to adopt the shape. So selection, order of selection matters in embed object. For this one, let's go ahead and do the same trial. Cutout, obviously, the cutout is also the same thing. The order of selection matters. So this is kind of like a pipe cutout, like everybody, whoever working with the pipe joints and stuff, I guess the cutout is really important to have some idea where to cut the pipe and stuff. So I envision myself using this connect tool, the first one, connect object, a lot more than the cutout for object, but I will be using embed object several times as well. So with that, that's all I wanted to show in this today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and looking forward to extending upon this knowledge in the future days. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.